The U.S. Department of Commerce has dealt another blow to China's technology sector by adding more than 50 Chinese organizations to its blacklist. This is the first major expansion of restrictions under the Trump administration, aimed at curbing China's development of artificial intelligence, quantum technologies, and hypersonic weapons. The technological standoff between the U.S. and China is moving into a new, more aggressive phase. The expanded restrictions affect key segments of the high-tech sector, from AI chips to quantum computing. U.S. companies are prohibited from supplying technology and components to these organizations without special permission from the government. Who is under attack? First and foremost, Chinese semiconductor manufacturers and AI companies. The blacklist includes 11 organizations from China associated with the development of advanced AI technologies, supercomputers, and high-performance chips. Another 7 companies were sanctioned because of developments in quantum technologies. Historical context is important. The previous Biden administration also imposed sweeping export restrictions on semiconductors and supercomputer technology, but the new sanctions noticeably expand the scope of the restrictions and signal a consistent U.S. policy regardless of changes in power. How does this affect global technology leaders? For U.S. giants like Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm, the situation is twofold. On the one hand, they are losing part of the Chinese market. On the other hand, competition from Chinese manufacturers is decreasing, which strengthens their position on the global market. Companies specializing in the development of defense technologies and having strong positions in the American market may find themselves in the most advantageous position. At the same time, technology companies with a high dependence on the Chinese market will face serious problems. In the new reality of technological confrontation, it is worth paying attention to import substitution beneficiary companies, both in the U.S. and China, that will actively develop their own technology ecosystems. Far-sighted investors can use the current situation to reassess their portfolios and look for new opportunities. The classic principles of investing, diversification, a long-term horizon, and careful analysis, remain the key to success even in turbulent times.